What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to locate and how to install every single app that exists on your Windows computer. If you go to add or remove apps, you may not see all the apps. There is hidden apps. How to locate it all? First thing, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to our Windows Start panel, click into the search and type run, just like this. You're gonna be able to see the run, the executor, and right here we're gonna type shell, two dots, apps folder, just like this, and click on OK. This is gonna open every single app that exists on your computer, independently if it is a hidden app, an administrative only app, and you're gonna be able to delete this app. Imagine, for example, that I would like to delete Microsoft Teams. Okay, all I have to do is click with the right button of my mouse over it and click on uninstall. You're gonna open the installer, and I'm gonna be able to install. If the app does not exist on installer, it's gonna be deleted just from here. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow.